What up, gang? This is my 1992 300E 2.6 liter Mercedes-Benz W124. I just bought it this week. It's amazing. It's got all kinds of headaches, but I love it. So let me go over them. Number one, I had to replace the OVP, the most common issue that I've read about. As soon as I replaced that, my cold start issues were gone. My ABS light issue is gone. My rough idle is gone. I still have a little misfire, but I put a fuel system cleaner and it's running better. Let me see what else. My headlights don't come on. My cold AC don't come on. My speedometer bounces up and down. And I have a tiny little hard shift from first to second. But other than that, man, I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. So let me go over all of the bad so far. Right now, the light turned off for the gas. I just filled it up with gas, but the gauge doesn't go up. However, the light did turn off. So I'm guessing it's starting to work or kick in. My temperature gauge definitely works. My fuel pump gauge my oil pump gauge was stuck. And now it's starting to kind of go up and down on its own. My tachometer, it bounces when I accelerate, but it's starting to get a little better. I think it was just sitting for too long. My RPMs definitely work and my brake light is on. Everything else, not a peep. My AC, no bueno. It blows. Dar, she blows. Hard. But I only get hot air or normal outside temperature air. The heater works, but no cold AC, okay? It runs and drives fine. It just has a tiny little misfire, all right? This is, look at the back. Look at this, immaculate. Look at the passenger seat, immaculate. Look at me, immaculate. The console, the flooring, the panels. The only thing bad on the interior is the headliner and the pillars. All of the pillars, like the little glue is coming off of the stuff. Man, I can take that somewhere and they'll fix that for me, man. But other than that, bad bushings, bad struts, bad ball joints, bad control, bad everything on the suspension for damn sure. Oh, my gas light came back on, but we're full. We got full gas. It also had a tiny little gas leak in the hoses under the car, which I just tightened up the clamp and gas leak gone. So no problem there. But other than that, man, my sunroof works. Check it out, watch this. I ain't even lying, my sunroof works. But I'm gonna open it because I ain't got no AC. All right. Let me know what you guys think so far. I'm loving it. I love the freaking car. It's uh-oh. Oh, I wonder if I can't open the sunroof while I'm driving. But, well, no, it don't open the other way, but it don't open one way. We'll figure it out. Yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. I love it. Give me some tips. You know, anything you guys recommend. I love it, man. I would show you the outside, but I'm driving right now. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks on the road, how it feels. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, hate, appreciate. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be posting some new videos soon. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to this car and leave it beautiful. But yeah, see you guys later.